In Teller County, fire bosses pieced together funding to add a couple of full-time wildland firefighters for the summer season, but the high fire danger right now has motivated them to start months earlier than planned. Our Bill Folsom is looking into the fire concerns in the high country.
Increasing fire risk motivated the addition of full-time wildland firefighters for the summer season here in Florissant. This year, they're starting early.
Was your fire radar up, so to speak?
It's always up.
Paying attention to wildfire risk is part of living in the Teller and Park County mountain towns. When the wind blows, the risk rises, and this year there's been little reprieve from winter snow.
Even midwinter, our snow's measured in the inches, not the feet.
It's dry.
It's the reason wildland firefighter Jeremy Stanley is already on the job. He's one of the new summer wildland firefighters for the department who was supposed to work May to October.
We're in a better position for the community.
Due to the threat of wildfires and the early onset this year, we brought them on in February.
Increasing wildfires in recent years motivated the decision to add a couple of seasonal full-time firefighters to the volunteer force. It required piecing together funding.
Throughout 2024 and 2025, we saved money through reimbursements from the state for wildfire deployments, but we've also had to sell off old unused apparatus and roll that money into this program to keep it financially stable.
It's considered an investment in fire response. In a volunteer department, gathering firefighters and getting to a scene can take 20 minutes or more. The full-time firefighters can give volunteers a head start.
Fires in general double in size every minute. So the quicker we can get units on the road and to the scene, we can keep the fires small, and that's what our #1 goal is.
They've got the funding for this year. To keep this going, they'll have to be creative for years ahead. In Florissant, Bill Folsom, News 5.